Welcome to the Spendwise Moms channel, your homemaking resource hub. Today we're going to show you how to make 7-layer cookies. These are my all-time favorite cookies, I think. I really like them. We usually make them at Christmas time, but they're good anytime. They're very rich and they taste great. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees and place some parchment paper in a 9x13 pan or grease it if you prefer. These cookies are called 7-layer cookies because there are 7 ingredients: chocolate chips, butterscotch chips, coconut, butter, condensed milk, nuts, and graham crackers. The reason I chose to make these cookies today is because I found all these little packages of things in my freezer, and I had a little bit of nuts, and my graham crackers were almost done, so I wanted to use them up. First, get out your food processor or use a bowl and find a way to crush some graham crackers. A box of graham crackers has about 3 different packages inside of it, and you're going to use 1 to 1.5 or 1 1/3 packages. When they're crushed, then put them in a different bowl and melt your butter in a separate bowl. Add the butter to your graham cracker crumbs and stir. Put the graham cracker crumbs into your 9x13-inch pan, and then you're going to press it down. Start adding the toppings. You're going to start with coconut. I usually use like a cup to a cup and a half. Because I had a lot of miscellaneous things, I'm just using whatever I had. So there might be a few more chocolate chips or a few less butterscotch chips or a little more coconut or a little more nuts. It really doesn't matter if it's exact in this recipe. As long as you have all the ingredients, it's going to taste great. So then put your chocolate chips on over the coconut. Next, add the butterscotch chips. When you're done with that, add the chopped pecans on top. The last couple times I've bought sweetened condensed milk, I found it's so thick. So I went ahead and put it in a bowl and microwaved it for about 20 seconds. So it was just a little bit thinner and easier to spread. And just spread it all over the top of your ingredients there in the pan. It's kind of fun to do it. You can do it in an organized pattern. You can write your name. It takes a little bit of time, but it's fun to do. Put them in your oven and bake for about 30 minutes until they're lightly brown. You can see mine are done here, and let them cool. One thing I love with parchment paper is you can just pull it up and out of the pan, and it's much easier to cut the cookies this way. That's all there is to it. They're very easy to make and they taste fantastic. I love these cookies and I hope you will too. Thanks for watching the Spendwise Moms channel. Please subscribe for more videos just like this.